double mill. Electric motor driven. Wow. Yan, pansya lang pansya. Oh. Pansya lang ng pansya. Oh, ito ang double mill. Dua tentang. Yan. Ito pala may feeder pala siya. Na siyang mag-control, magpapapasok ng bagas. May feeder siya.
Naman layak.
Ayan. Napakasimple. Napakasimple. Pwede pa sa iluhan. Itong sa ibabaw mas pino siya at sa ilalim yung bottom roller so ito yung gearbox nagdadrive ng roller. So there's also oil inside. There's an oil inside. Yeah. Kaya basta't alaga lang sa salangis, maganda yung hindi siya masisira. Magtatagal siya.
This is helical pinion.
Okay. Yeah.
This is helical gear wheel. This is per pinion and this is per gear wheel.
Okay.
Also check oil quantity.
Yeah.
In video.
So there's a level. Level of oil should be the lower part should be.
Yes, the lower part of bigger gear deep.
Deep. Should be deep in the oil.
This is oil.
There's some oil. Yeah.
This is railway gear, right?
Steady oil.
Just regular, no liquid.
May oil din sa loob.
This is yes.
Yun.
Also,
Okay.
tractor gearbox oil. Oil. The main purpose is the oil will be thick.
Okay, thank you.
Thick.